Hello dear students, today we are solving the UGC NET English Complete Paper solution. Today we are at 52. So who among the following invented in cape and in stress? These two very words who have invented this. So the answer to this question is GM Hopkins actually. So deep dive into if we just go. So who was GM? So this is like Gerard mainly Hopkins. This was a Victorian poet and a Jesuit priest as well. So known for the innovative poetic style, including the sprung rhythm and the spiritual symbolism. Okay, so alongside that, there is a very interesting thing. What is this incape? Incape refers to the unique design essence and the inner nature of a thing, and is the distinctive pattern and gives each object a being of individuality. So no two things in the world are the same. So Hopkins believed every leaf, rock, or the face in its own inscape, a divine fingerprint. Okay, so what is in stress? Is like force and energy that holds the inscape together. So this is like inscaping, this is holds it together and allows the observer to perceive it. So it is the emotional and spiritual impression. So when we look at a tree and suddenly feel awe or reverence for its beauty, so that surge the feeling of in stress. So the other three are so it's he's actually I.A. Riches was a literary critic known for the works of semantics and literary analysis, like we can so like practical criticism. He's not a poet and didn't invent any term as well. So W.K. Wemsat was known for the concepts like international fallacy and uh, affective fallacy. Okay, and William Faulkner is an American novelist famous for stream of consciousness and the Southern Gothic literature. He worked for fiction, not as a metaphysical poet like Hopkins. So this is it. So Inscape and Instress goes by James Hopkins.